don't have to wait for next invitation. You can always come and visit us, whether in the casino site or hotel site. This is a beautiful building.
As a part of the gaming industry, it's very hard for us to sell gaming. Diba? Kasi it's very hard to tell people to come and lose your money. Diba? So what we're sharing here is the experience. As you all participated in the games, you felt the thrill, the excitement, you know, that our customers are looking for. Going forward as a gaming, not only a gaming establishment, but entertainment complex. Okay, we have shows, we have events, and of course we have the casino as part of our entertainment. But we also have bands who play regularly. We invite well-known artists who plays in our bar. Then we also have bingo. And we are doing our best to bring in new games and new machines for our customers.